air cannons. So there's two types of air cannons you can make. There's one I like to call the dropper launcher, and the other one I like to call the vortex cannon. So let's demonstrate the dropper launcher. I have a bottle here. I drilled a hole at the top of the center in the lid of the bottle, and I secured the lid back on top of the bottle. And now through this hole, I'm going to, like I said, put in a dropper, eyedropper. And so what happens is to demonstrate this air cannon. So I'm going to put this thing on the table and hold it in place, and I'm gonna smash my fist down on it. So here we go. You saw what happened. I was able to launch the dropper. So I want you to do two things. Number one, I want you to upload a video of yourself actually making your own or have your own dropper launcher. And number two, I'm going to you explain how the dropper launcher basically works. You can use my demonstration or your own demonstration to explain how the dropper launcher works. Also, I want you to do is upload another video of you doing, making a vortex cannon. And to make a real basic vortex cannon, there's several ways of making it. Okay, this is just one way of making it. But it's, one way you can make a vortex cannon is take a box, and like saying tape all the sides of the box up, and on one end of the box cut a hole. Okay, and what happens is, just like I did just now with the dropper launcher, I'm going to demonstrate this by taking the box. I'm going to, like I said, hit the sides of the box, and we'll see what happens. So take a look at the cup I have there. And you saw what happened to the cup. Another way of doing it, this demonstration, is I'm gonna hold the box. I'm gonna keep the box on the ground, and I put the cup on top of the box like so. And you just watch what happens and see what happens. I'm gonna smash my hands to the sides of the box and see what happens. So they're trying to build a cup launcher. So everybody, again, I want you to upload a video of both you demonstrating the dropper launcher, and you can design a dropper launcher slightly different from the way I did mine. I also want you to upload a video of a vortex cannon. And again, in both videos, I want you to explain how your cannon works. Saying both of these cannons, how they work. So, and again, you will see a link on Moodle to upload your videos too. So, again, if you have any questions, let me know.